According to independent research, using student response systems in the classroom can improve student achievement and test scores by 15 to 30% or more. Why are Turning Technologies solutions so effective? Today's students, known as digital natives, have an average attention span of just 7 minutes. They have had various forms of technology, like video games, email, and text messaging, competing for their attention during most of their lives. These students need to be actively involved in the learning process, and a student response system is the perfect tool to create this engaging classroom environment. With a student response system from Turning Technologies, you can easily ask questions and collect responses from all students in real time. The results are immediately available for review and automatically stored so you can view additional reports after class. These proven tools allow educators to implement effective pedagogical techniques that really improve student performance by transforming the classroom experience. Students are able to participate in class anonymously among their peers, but can be uniquely identified to monitor progress, perform assessments, and track participation. As students participate, they gain immediate feedback, and instructors can assess comprehension instantly to facilitate better understanding and learning. During class, instructors can quickly and accurately analyze student comprehension and differentiate instruction to meet the needs of all students, while involving each student in their own personal learning and assessment process. Turning Technologies has software options for use with any material without preparation, even web-based, or inside PowerPoint to gather student responses during new or existing presentations without learning complicated new technologies. Plus, you can upload your classroom results to a learning management system like Moodle or Blackboard to track and analyze the student response data and assessment results. Students respond using compact, reliable, and easy-to-use response card hardware, or they can respond using the web-based ResponseWare platform on smartphones, laptops, or any other device with a web browser. Plus, it's easy and cost-effective to connect remote classrooms to a central presentation for distance learning and remote polling applications. To improve student achievement in their classroom, more organizations worldwide have chosen to partner with Turning Technologies than any other student response solution provider. More than 4 million response cards are used by organizations in over 90 countries, and over half of the colleges and universities in the United States use Turning Technologies products. Contact Turning Technologies today to learn why.